guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a bonus love reading for Aquarius. Let's see what's happening in their love life. And if you haven't seen the previous video that I have done for Aquarians, you can check that in the previous videos. And let's start. This is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone and the roles can be switched, okay? So yeah, let's see what's happening for Aquarians in their love life in the month of August for the remaining days. What's happening for Aquarians in the month of August? What's happening for Aquarians in the month of August? What's happening for Aquarians in the month of August? Okay. What's happening for Aquarians in the month of August? What's happening for Aquarians in the month of August? It's happening for Aquarians in the month of August. Okay, the first one is Muse of Inspiration. Second one is the Hermit. We will focus more on your person's feeling, on how they are feeling. Temperance. Okay. Let's focus now on your feelings. How are you feeling in the month of August? How are you going to feel in the month of August? Okay, the Chariot. I hope you can see the cards. Okay, Four of Materials. I can't take the two cards because I just want one card for you all. One card for the Aquarians' feelings in the month of August. Okay. Ten of Inspiration. So, you might be dealing with, as far as I'm seeing this, your person, they are focused on themselves, balancing out things in their life, their whole focus is on their life, their own, their own self. They are all about themselves. They are always thinking about themselves. Maybe they want to find some answers, so they are taking time for themselves. Okay, maybe they are spiritually awakening even. Okay, I'm seeing this person balancing out. They are into this, balancing out mode. Maybe they are taking out for themselves to just think and rest and regenerate. They want to take time for themselves. I think this person has either they have ghosted you, or maybe they have took some time off. Maybe they are wanting their own space right now. Okay, you're definitely dealing with someone who is quite focused onto themselves. With this Hermit, it might be a Virgo. With this Temperance, it might be a Sagittarian. Okay, they are thinking all about themselves. They are self-centered right now. They don't want to focus on anything but just on themselves. They are all about themselves. The person you are dealing with is quite tough. They don't express much. Okay, they might not even be talking to you. They might not even be, thinking about you right now, because they are into their own struggle. Maybe they are dealing with something in their life. They have to face something in their life. They are on this crossroads, quite inspired. Maybe they are too charged up for their career, their work, their finances. They are all inspired about their life. Okay, and it is quite possible they are on this crossroad about their career, or maybe a job change or a promotion. Something new is happening in their life, and that is why they are away from you. That is why they are taking time for themselves. Okay, I'm not seeing them thinking quite about you. Okay, they are all about themselves, finding balance, taking time for themselves, meditating, going within themselves. I don't know how many times I have said themselves, but this is the energy I'm getting for this person. They all they think is about how I will be happy, how I'm going to succeed in this particular thing. I don't see any emotion whatsoever. Okay. If they are having any emotions, then they are hiding it under their hood. Yeah. And on your side, what I see here is you want movement. You want to go forward with this person. You are quite protective with this Four of Materials. You are quite protective of this person. You don't want to share their love. You don't want to lose this person. Okay. And you mean it. Okay. You want movement with this Chariot. You want movement forward with this person. You don't want to stop here. This is not your destination. You want to reach the destination with this person. And this person is not even budging. They're not even thinking about you. Their focus is on their life, their growth, their stability, their career, their finances, whatsoever they are doing with their life. That is what their focus is. Okay. It is also possible that I'm not seeing them leaving the situation, but for now, in the month of August, this person is all about themselves. They want to prioritize what they want, how they want things to be. They're balancing out things. Okay. And you are quite thinking about this person. You want to take this relationship further. You are quite you are balanced, and they are wanting to find balance. Let's see what more do we have on your person's side. What more do we have for Aquarian's partner? What more do we have in their energies? What more do we have in the Aquarian's partner's energy? What more do we have in the Aquarian partner's energy? Yeah, Page of Inspiration. I told you, they're all about themselves. They're charged up. All they're thinking is about, taking steps. Maybe they are taking baby steps. They're on to achieving something. But all they want is success. They want to move forward in their life. Maybe they are all charged up about their career. Quite possible. Okay, with this Page of Inspiration. What more do we have? What more do we have? Queen of Materials. I told you, they want to build their empire. They want to have all the luxury and or have all growth in their career. They are all about material, all about pentacles. They don't want to show how they feel. Maybe they have feelings for you, but then how this person feels for Aquarian. How this person feels for Aquarian. Their emotions, please. Too many cards. Let's not take them. One card for their emotions. How they feel about Aquarius right now. Are they even feeling anything about them? Okay, two cards. First is Page of Voices and the Empress. I think they're attracted to you with this Empress. They know your worth. They know what you bring to their life, what you bring, what value you add to their life. But maybe they are more focused on themselves. That is why they are not coming, back to you. They want to talk to you with this Page of Voices. What I see here is they want to communicate. Okay, they are passionate about you with this Empress and Page of Voices. They are passionate. All they think is about you, but what they're showing on the outside is they want to work on their career, their finances, their job, their study, whatsoever they are doing. So yeah, maybe for many of you, they will talk to you or they are into this talking terms with you, but they are not expressing how they feel. They are passionate about you. Look at this, Empress. They feel as if you are marriage material. You are someone they want to spend their whole life with you. Okay, so this is their real emotions. I asked for their emotions, and that this is what we have. Maybe they will communicate to you in the month of August. Okay, but they will be very specific and very calculative on how they act and speak to you. Okay, what more do we have in the Aquarian side? What you will be feeling like? What Aquarians are going to feel like in the month of August? Their emotions, please. You are quite protective about this person, okay? No matter how long they take, you are still wanting movement with this person. First is Page of Emotions. You are like You want a new beginning with this page of emotions, with this page of cups. You want a new beginning of an emotional offer from this person. You are even going to receive this emotional offer, but they are again going to jump back to their own, I, me, myself mode, okay, because they want to create something in their life now, quite serious about the star. You are hopeful. Maybe you are dealing, yes, you are Aquarius, this is your card, or maybe you are dealing with another Aquarius maybe, okay. So you are quite hopeful about this relationship. This is your card, this is the star card, okay. You're quite hopeful about this person coming back, expressing how they feel towards you. Yeah. One more card on their Aquarians emotions, how they are going to feel for the rest of February. One more card for their emotions. One more card for their emotions, for Aquarius emotions. Okay. Yeah, Eight of Inspiration. I think you want to move forward. You are quite determined that you want to move forward with this person. You have no doubts. You are consistent. You are you take every step, and you are on the way, to achieve stability with this person. You know what you want. Okay, with this person, you are not clueless like this person is. I think this person is more attracted to you, and you are quite emotional about this person. Yeah. So this was it. Let's see what more do we have in the mutual energy. What more do we have in the mutual energy for Aquarius and their person? What do we have for the mutual energy? Okay, letting go. I think someone needs to let go. Someone needs to let go of the power struggle. Maybe with this Four of Pentacles, maybe you're too possessive and you're all about this person in your head. I think time is to let go on the universe. Let universe do its course. Let things fold naturally. Okay, don't force anything. Let it come to you naturally. Okay, if they are focused on their career and finances and their own life, so should you. Okay. What more do we have in the mutual energy? Maybe emotionally, sometimes you feel like there's nothing left, nothing more can be done. Projections. I think understanding is needed. Maybe you both are trying to understand each other, their emotions, the other person's emotions. Projections. You may be even twin flames. Okay, you both are behaving in the same way. Maybe for many of you. Okay, maybe you are twin flames. Maybe you are mirroring each other. Okay, last one is guidance. Maybe you need help, or maybe you need to share things with someone who understands you truly. Okay, so yeah, guidance is needed in this situation. Maybe on your person's side or on your side, however it might resonate. Okay, let's see what advice do we have from the handwritten messages for Aquarians. What messages do we have? I think these are, let me see, some more are there. Yeah. What more do we have for Aquarians? 5 messages. What more do we have for Aquarians? Maybe you're dealing with, yeah, you are an air sign yourself, or maybe you are also dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ambitious. So I think this message is specifically for you, because I feel your person is already on their path, towards their ambition. You too must be ambitious. Work on your career, work on yourself. Okay, rich family. So you might even deal with someone who is from a rich family. Okay, quite affluent family. Compromise. You don't need to compromise. Okay, compromise is never a solution. You need to increase your self-worth. You need to work on your self-worth. Okay, one more. Management. I think you need to manage. You are quite about this person. From your reading, Aquarians, you're always thinking about this person. Where is your life? When do you think about yourself? Be ambitious. Manage your time and resources. New cycle. I think something needs to go and something new needs to be beginning. Okay, or maybe a new cycle is coming. So yeah, this was it for Aquarians. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.